Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna learn how to change the name of a Facebook account. So before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the like button and share this video. So we open the Facebook account and we tap on the photo of your account. We tap on the settings and we tap on see more in account center. Okay, so the first one we choose profiles. Okay, choose your Facebook account and tap on name. So here you can change your first name, your middle name and your last name. For example, I will add the Y, and when I tap on the review change, so I have two options and I can choose between them. When I tap on the save changes, everything will be changed. But notice, you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. So if you change it right now, you need to wait 2 months. Okay? That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video. Goodbye.